Hello everybody, welcome back to another unboxing where I grab something that we have in stock to talk about what it is and what it does. Today with us we have the Timpano 3000 Watt Monoblock 1 ohm stable class D bass amplifier, or the TPT BASS3000. The TPT BASS3000 is a high efficiency amplifier designed exclusively for bass applications, delivering 3000 watts RMS power at 1 ohm. It features a built-in variable crossover filter, subsonic and low-pass filters, and a bass boost function, allowing for precise tuning without external devices. The compact design utilizes digital full bridge Class D Brazilian technology, ensuring powerful performance in a small footprint. The amplifier also includes intelligent four-way protection circuitry, LED indicators, and a silent cooling technology. It is built with heavy-duty power and speaker terminals, a sturdy heatsink, and premium components to handle demanding bass sessions. Now, let's talk a little bit about the features on this thing. It's a monoblock amplifier, and at 14.4 volts at 1 ohm, it has 3000 watts RMS, but at 2 ohms, it has 1800 watts RMS. The supply voltage is 9 volts all the way to 17 volts. It has a frequency response of 8 Hz all the way to 600 kHz. It has a bass boost frequency of 30 Hz all the way to 70 Hz. It has an impedance output of 1 ohm, a musical consumption of 132 amps, and a bass consumption of 265 amps. Now let's talk a little bit about the price on this thing. It's about $304.95. And if you're interested in this, you can purchase it at bigdifaudio.com/collections/Timpano. And as always, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also comment something you would like to see unboxed. In the meantime, thanks for watching.